guys, thanks for joining me again for another unboxing. It's finally arrived. If you watched the last unboxing, I was waiting for the parcel and it's come. And this is from Slick Boys. So how you doing, guys? You okay? I hope your weekend's going great, guys. I really do. And if you're working over the weekend, thank you for your service. Right, should we get into it? I remembered the knife this time. Draper. Draper to help me. It's just a quick unboxing, guys, because I like to share with you what's coming in the day. Nuggets. And I love nuggets. And when you order from Slick Boys as well, there's one thing you always get. You get either the drumstick or the refresher, I think it is. And I've got a ton of these. I don't eat them. But you know what I do? I keep them for Halloween. Right, soap. Where's the beginning? No shavings today, guys. I've slightly overindulged with the week off. I'm giving it a rest today. Right. Oh. Southern Witchcraft. Here we go. Valley of Ashes. Is it Valley of what? Yeah, I thought it was of the Ashes. Valley of Ashes. It's a limited edition, new release, just come out. I think they released it on Friday. Yeah, they did. I'm looking forward to this. Love the labels. Love these labels. I don't like the dark ones so much, but these guys, the limited one, I absolutely love the labels. Right, should we get into it? Oh, one thing I don't like about Witchcraft. No side label, no notes, no ingredients, nothing, but they are pretty standard ingredients. I don't like that though. Oh yeah. Do you know what, guys? This has got so much in it. I like complex soaps, and if they're blended well, it really appeals to me. This has got tar in it, coal, diesel, engine oil, tobacco, bitter citrus, burning rubber. It's a petrol heads soap. I get the tar. Oh, there's everything. I get the oil and everything. Now I've got diesel in my head, I'm picking it out. But it's not like, because I can't stand the smell of diesel. I have a diesel car. But that works really well. I'm so looking forward to using this. I've got some really exciting shaves coming up, guys. I've got new razors, I've got new soaps and everything. I'm so looking forward to it. Some more to the collection. I love these matte bottles. I absolutely love these matte bottles. Can't see how much you've got left, but hey ho. And there's the matching splash, guys. Can we get this open? Can I see to get it open? Let's go around the edge. I've got to smell this. Usually it's more, the splashes are more prominent than the soap. Can't even get it open, guys. There you are, we got to start on it, we got to start. Give it a shake. Oh wow. Yeah, it is quite dark. It's not an invigorating scent, but it's got the vibe of a get up and go, if that makes any sense. It's like if you get up in the morning and say, right, I'm going to work on my car, and you know you're going to have those sensors around the car, whether you're checking the oil, whatever you're working on with the car, and it's got that. It's quite a not masculine, but it's manly. That's what I think. That's just my opinion. So there you go, guys. Another one to try. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. And enjoy the week next week. I hope next week's great for you and you have some fantastic shaves. So that's it for now. So stay smooth and stay safe. Bye, guys.